Giant guys, today I am telling you something very important. If you are from Northeast, it's surely very, very important. And if you love your car. So what is the issue? The issue is this: the other day I had come across a news item in an SMS news channel on TV that in Guwahati there is no trace of XP95 or premium petrol, they say, which is having high octane level, and it has not been there since last 20-25 days. I was wondering what is the reason. So this is an authentic news which I have come across, like I said, on a news channel, a regional news channel, SMS news channel. So they interviewed the staff there in the fuel pumps, and they said that they have not been getting the supply of XP95 or its equivalent in any other brand since last 20 days. I'm not sure about what is happening in Shillong. Today I'm on way to Guwahati, and I'm going by that beautiful Molai bypass. So you have a look at it. So this is the Molai bypass, which will take you from the city, from Shillong city, to the GS road. That means the Guwahati Shillong road. This is a winding, beautiful 2-lane road, but wide enough, and beautiful buildings all around along the road. About, I guess, 15 years back, this road was a very narrow one, and it was all pine trees on both sides of the road. I used to commute from the city to the Northeastern Hill University, which is very near to the end of this road. This is the road, but the main issue today is whether we'll get XP95 or equivalent in Shillong city or city limits. So what can be the reason? Earlier, when I got the news, then I scrolled through few feeds online, and one input was there that the government may have been considering to bring back E10, and so E20 will be available as well as E10 because of the public fury and public reaction, and that is why they have stopped supplying XP95 or its equivalent. But this has proved to be wrong news, because recently the statement has come from the concerned ministry or the government that the government doesn't have any plan to reintroduce E10 fuel. So it is not true. So I really don't know why it is not available in Guwahati, and as the report was telling in that SMS news channel, that it is not available in the entire Northeast. Why? क्यों भाई? Northeast का बंदे लोग को क्यों नहीं दोगे आप XP95 your equivalent? You see, what is XP95? Let me tell you this. Okay, those who are not aware of it, this is the octane value. Okay, it is again a ethanol 20 blended petrol, but the octane value of XP95 is 95. But with ethanol, it will go up further. Now, why this is important to me? Because I drive a Kushaq, which is a direct injection engine, turbo petrol. So the brand name is TSI, turbo stratified ignition engine. Generally, the high octane fuel or petrol is recommended for turbo petrol vehicles for their performance, because of the compression ratio of turbo petrol vehicles are little higher than the normal naturally aspirated vehicles. So even the Skoda, since I'm driving a Kushaq, Skoda also recommends that to use octane 95 level petrol. Now, some people might say that since the octane value of ethanol is higher than ordinary petrol, So if you mix 20% of ethanol with normal petrol, octane rating of normal petrol, which is 91, it will become automatically 95. Okay. But the story doesn't end there. Let's go to another part. In XP95 and such type of fuel, the companies are supposed to add some additives which help in cleansing the fuel system and keep the turbo petrol engine healthy. So that is the reason why Skoda has recommended use of XP95 or equivalent, I mean the octane level 95. So now, this being the story, last time I filled up XP100 from Guwahati. That is only available in one fuel station as far as my knowledge goes. And I have been running this since last time on XP100, and I still have around 40% of fuel left, and I plan to fill up XP95 with this, which is an E20. So I guess the octane level will be uh, higher, and the ethanol level will be lesser because XP100 is zero ethanol, and whatever fuel we get today, XP95 or normal, it will be E20. So I will get something like E10, E12 combination. So let me try. And on the highway, there are 2-3 petrol pumps. Big one, pretty popular one. I usually fill my fuel tank from there. So I'll try it out, and let's see if there is any, if it is a fact that XP95 is not available or available in Shillong, and I'll let you know. So stay tuned. So we are approaching the Indian Oil petrol pump, followed by which there is an Hindustan Petroleum petrol pump. I will first inquire about the XP95 in Indian Oil petrol pump and find out if it is available. So this is one of the biggest in the city or just outskirts of the city. So let's see. But don't XP95 ne? None. Only normal petrol. Oh, no, Kubishman. There is no XP95. Thank you. Oh, appears I'm not getting. So let me try out the Hindustan Petroleum. I used to fill up with HP petrol pump only, HP Power. So let's see if HP Power is available or not. So there must be some reason and some game going on why suddenly XP95 is not available in the market. Why? क्यों भाई? गडकरी, sorry, Hardeep Puri Saab, what happened? So this is HP. This is Habba Taryang. So this one I am regular to this. Is a good quality they give. So let me try from that particular dispensing unit where power petrol is available. Kong HP power is done. Oh, very good. Hey, power is done. Power is available. Thank you, Kulishivan. So it is not a fact that you don't get a premium petrol. You get a premium petrol, and I'm going to fill up with HP power. That is equivalent to XP95, right? Thank you. Okay, I full. Hi. So here it is, power 95. I'm getting it filled up. The rate is 110.73 and auto cut done. So total liters is 35.98, 3984.06 is the amount. This is a very good petrol pump. Very nice. I like it. You see, we've got all the amenities out here. We've got beautiful, some shopping area. Also, you've got the washrooms and pollution testing center, blah, 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 everything. Nice one.
recommended.
Yeah, so filled up the fuel with Power 95 and about to start. So this is not true that you don't get premium petrol. In Shillong, you get it. Maybe not XP95, I don't know because of what, but you get Power 95. And I have no issue about that because I generally used to use Power 95 only, which I really liked. So the name of the fuel station is Haba Tariang fuel station, and this is on the JS Road in Mayong. And so that is all, guys. So I hope Shillongites at least, or even Guardians, if you want to have premium petrol, you can take your car out, spin to Shillong, spend a weekend there, here in Shillong with a beautiful weather, and beautiful weather. And though today it's pretty hot, right? It's pretty hot. It's 28 degrees. My God, and I'm going down to Guwahati. It will be something like 38 or 40, I guess. Generally, there's a difference of 10 degrees Celsius between Shillong and Guwahati. So, anyway, with this fuel tank filled up fully, the range that my odometer is showing is 530 kilometers. I hope they really make it. So that is all, guys. I hope you like it. If it is of any use to you, please do hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel in case you have not done so. Signing off, very Roy from Shillong on way to Guwahati. Right.